Some notes on installing one of these corner showers. We have this little tiny bathroom, as you can see, and originally it was just a commode and a sink, so we wanted to put in one of these corner showers. However, what happened was when I got inside of it, I mean, it was just so tiny. It was like we set it in here on the floor, and it was just so tiny, and I pretended like I was taking a shower, and I was always hitting the walls with my elbows and what have you, so it's just like, wow, it was just way too small. So it's kind of like, oops, made a mistake in buying this thing because it just ain't going to work. Well, what I ended up doing was asking the guy if we could use some of this door framework from the aluminum doors, and it just so happened that it fits. And you can see we added like a 3-inch extension up here on that, on each side, so around on this side also. And just that 3 inches brought it out from somewhere around in here out to here, and it doesn't look like a lot, but when you do that, it makes a huge difference. So we were thinking about actually putting in clear glass blocks in here to bring it out, but in this bathroom it would have brought it out just way too much. So that is one trick. If you got one of these corner shower things and it's just a little too small, then you can extend them out, again using these aluminum door frame things, and bring it out. We brought it out 3 inches this way and 3 inches forward this way from the back wall. Another thing we did when we installed this corner shower was we did not set the bottom aluminum frame. You can see this is a whole frame like this. We did not set this down on the floor like it's supposed to be. What we did is we put in a cement lip, what is it, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the floor. We also added some drain holes in each corner here. And there's one back in there which you can't really see, but there's one back in there in case the floor gets wet, water will flow out, and the floor of course is sloped in towards the drain. But this really helps. It's preserved the aluminum. As you can see, it hasn't gotten all nasty and corroded. And also on the inside the same. A little dirty, but not corroded or anything. So those are 2 tips for making one of these corner showers work out a little bit better than it might otherwise. Hope you found it interesting and hopefully useful.